Hi guys, James here at AllBrand Caravan Services, part of McArthur Industries. Now behind me, we've got an Isuzu NQR Avida Longreach. I want to run through the 360-degree camera that we've set up in this motorhome for you. Now, this camera consists of 4 cameras, one at the front, one on the right side, one at the rear, and one on the left side that I'll show you shortly. We've also integrated this into a single monitor that sits in place of the rear view mirror. Now, inside, we've utilised the space to fit the module and the monitor and run the cabling all hidden. We've also run all the cabling and the trigger wires for each individual unit. So, left camera, right camera, rear, and the front. Now, as you can see, just up on the top here, this has actually been fitted in place of the rear view mirror. Why we've done this is because we weren't able to integrate the camera system into the Isuzu head unit, and we didn't want the customer to have an additional monitor in where the storage compartment is. Storage is a commodity in any motorhome and vehicle, so we want to keep ensuring that that's left untouched. The added advantage up in here is it doesn't affect the windscreen space for the client, so they can see everything. Now, as you can see up on the top monitor, we've got the top view of the vehicle, and we've also got the 360 degree. Now, the 360 degree camera, as I'm about to show, can be adjusted by the remote as you're going around the camera. We can also change the camera. So I can go and select the left-hand side, the right-hand side, the rear, and the front, all through just the control. We can also go back when required. The other additional option that we're fitted in with this is having the trigger wires. Now, as I turn on the left indicator, it's flicking on the left camera for you. Deactivate that, turn back to the right, it's activating the right camera, and when I go to select reverse, the screen comes up. Now guys, with all setups, as I said, there is a variation to where monitors can be fitted, where the cameras can be fitted. So prior to every installation, we do go through a dry fitment to ensure that the equipment that we have will be operating as required. Guys, thanks for watching the fit out that we've just done on this 360-degree camera on this motorhome. Any questions at all, give us a call here at AllBrand Caravan Services, where we'll be happy to help you out and we can get a quote through to you as soon as possible.